It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, Embrace 2 external memory control, power telescoping steering column, push-button start, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.